Hi, my name's Clare Harris and I lead on skills for Cornwall of Scilly Local Enterprise Partnership, and we are a partner in the Inclusivity Project. Really proud to be involved to share some of the learning of the work I've done over the last 5 years and support the project in engaging with businesses. Back in 2018, Cornwall of Scilly LEP worked with the Work and Health Unit, which is the Department for Work and Pensions and Department for Health, in looking at a project to how we engage businesses in recruiting and retaining people with long-term health conditions and disabilities. This project enabled us to develop resources because businesses were telling us they didn't really know where to go for that support and advice. So we developed a digital platform to better support them in that area. As we know, the world of work is changing rapidly, people are working for longer. And what's great about the Inclusivity Project is the partnership with Age UK and Disability Cornwall enables us to look at how we support older workers, but also those individuals that have a health condition. Businesses really need to think about how they look at inclusive recruitment practices. Inclusive growth is a real key part of our local industrial strategy. And we have an ageing workforce here in Cornwall on the Isles of Scilly, and how we better support businesses with that information is really important moving forward. COVID has changed a lot of that in terms of remote working and working from home, and businesses have seen how they can be a lot more flexible with how they recruit and how they look after their staff. It's been really exciting to work on the Inclusivity Project, to build on the work to date, but working with small businesses to really understand the key issues they face. And through the project and the research that's been undertaken, we've now got a really detailed evidence base that can help inform our future plans from a strategic perspective for Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly, and how we can support businesses to look at that inclusive recruitment and create that diverse workforce that can support everyone. It's really important that we listen to what businesses are saying, and through this project we've been able to gain that evidence base. Businesses are telling us that they need to build confidence in how they address some of these key issues, and through the research undertaken we've been able to develop that further. We know that businesses are struggling to recruit, and that has become really significant over the last 6 months. And actually, if we can help businesses look at the opportunities that are there in Cornwall with people that are willing to work, are willing to try new things, with flexible working, I think we can really make a difference in supporting some of those older workers that want to get back into work, but also better support businesses to have that confidence in how they have those conversations with people that might develop long-term health conditions or indeed have a disability. So through the Beacon Project and the Inclusivity Project, we've developed a range of case studies working with a wide range of businesses. And that's been a really powerful message, because those case studies have enabled us to share best practice with other businesses who want to get involved but don't know where to start. So it can be simple things from how easy it is for a business to make a reasonable adjustment to keep someone in work, to policies they've brought in place to look at flexible working practices. So changing that mindset has been quite key with businesses, and actually sharing with them the information of what they have to do from a legal perspective, to things they could do, and that's where sharing some of the best practice and case studies from other businesses has really helped, to actually what they should do and how they can work with the Inclusivity Projects and other partner organisations to actually look at how they change their recruitment practices to employ someone that might have a long-term health condition or disability, but also how they support those staff to stay in work. So through the Inclusivity Project, working with Age UK, we've been able to better understand some of those issues facing older workers. Earlier last year, we worked with Department for Work and Pensions to run a very small project with businesses around ageing workforce called Midlife MOT. And the 3 main areas for that were looking at what skills individuals may need to remain in work as they get older, but also looking at what support businesses provide individuals around pension and benefits as they get older, but also what they can provide and support older workforce in terms of health and links to support available.